Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2002 Ford Laser LXi hatch, stock reference number 5323. This shape runs from the second month 1999 through to the 9th month 2002. It has a ZM 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. ZM 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which has 2 small dents, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand corner light, left guard has 1 small dent, left front 14-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 3 dents, left rear door also has 3 dents, left rear 14-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has 6 small dents, as does the right front door, right power door mirror and a right front 14-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual type centre console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater control, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.